Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this smartphone. First of all, select an app like Play Store. Then click on this button with 3 lines and tap on those 2 dots at the top right corner of your app. Then select floating window, and as you can see, now I can use my app in this little window over here. If you wish to move it around, hold this line here and drag it whenever you want to. If you wish to close your app, you can do that by clicking at the top right corner over here or closing it in the background. But you can also select floating window here, open the other app, for example browser, and use both of them at the same time. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!